7 secrets to maximize your skin's overnight repair power. Did you know that nighttime is when your skin works its hardest to repair and rejuvenate? While you rest, your skin's natural repair process kicks into high gear, boosting collagen, renewing cells, and healing damage caused by environmental stressors like pollution and sun exposure. But it can't do it alone. The right skincare routine amplifies this process, combating aging, dullness, and dryness. Whether you're battling blemishes or striving for a natural glow, a tailored routine can make all the difference. Let me show you how to unlock your skin's full potential while you sleep. Part 1. Why nighttime skincare matters. This is the golden time when your skin repairs the damage caused by the day's stressors. Think UV rays, pollution, and harsh weather. During these hours, your skin is more receptive to nourishing ingredients, making it the perfect opportunity to supercharge your skincare routine. But here's the problem. All that exposure to dirt, oil, makeup, and environmental pollutants builds up on your skin throughout the day. If left uncleansed, these impurities can clog your pores, accelerate aging, and dull your natural glow. Studies show that pollution alone can increase skin sensitivity, trigger inflammation, and break down collagen over time. This is why cleansing at night isn't just a step, it's a necessity. A proper nighttime routine clears away the day's grime and gives your skin the clean slate it needs to repair, rejuvenate, and shine by morning. Part 2. The 7 essential steps. Step 1, double cleansing. The foundation of any effective nighttime skincare routine starts with double cleansing. First, use an oil-based cleanser to dissolve stubborn makeup, SPF, and the oily impurities that build up during the day. This step is critical, especially since sunscreen and waterproof makeup are designed to stick to your skin. An oil-based cleanser lifts them gently without stripping your natural oils. Next, follow up with a gentle water-based cleanser tailored to your skin type. For oily or acne-prone skin, opt for a foaming cleanser that removes excess sebum. For dry or sensitive skin, a cream-based or hydrating gel cleanser is perfect to maintain the skin's moisture barrier. This 2-step process ensures your skin is perfectly clean, free of debris, and ready for the next steps. Step 2, gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation is your secret weapon to radiant, smooth skin, but only in moderation. Do this 1 to 2 times a week to slough away dead skin cells that can clog pores and make your complexion look dull. Choose a mild scrub for physical exfoliation if you like a hands-on approach, or go for a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BHAs if you prefer a more scientific touch. For sensitive skin, enzyme-based exfoliants provide a gentle yet effective option. This step clears the way for your treatments to penetrate deeper, making your entire routine more effective. Avoid over-exfoliating, as it can lead to irritation or damage. Step 3, targeted treatments. This step is all about customization. Target your specific skin concerns with precision products. If anti-aging is your goal, incorporate retinoids or bakuchiol to boost collagen production and smooth fine lines. For dark spots or hyperpigmentation, apply a serum with vitamin C or niacinamide to brighten and even your tone. Acne-prone skin benefits from treatments with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to fight breakouts. The key to this step is patience. Allow 20 minutes after cleansing to ensure your skin is dry and ready to absorb the active ingredients fully. Avoid layering multiple treatments in one night to prevent irritation. Rotate them throughout the week for maximum impact without overwhelming your skin. With consistency, these targeted solutions can transform your skin over time. Step 4, hydration with hyaluronic acid. Hydration is the secret to healthy, glowing skin, and hyaluronic acid is the superstar ingredient that delivers it. Known for its ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, this powerhouse serum draws moisture into your skin, keeping it plump, dewy, and refreshed. It's especially beneficial for dry or dehydrated skin, but even oily or combination types can enjoy its lightweight, non-greasy hydration. To apply, use a few drops of hyaluronic acid serum immediately after cleansing or targeted treatments. For best results, pat it onto slightly damp skin to lock in extra moisture. This step ensures your skin stays hydrated all night, supporting its natural repair process and leaving you with a radiant glow by morning. Step 5, eye cream. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest and most delicate on your face, making it prone to dryness, puffiness, and fine lines. An eye cream isn't just an indulgence, it's essential for maintaining youthful, bright eyes. Hydrating this area helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and prevents premature aging. Look for ingredients like peptides, which help to boost collagen production and firm the skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides lock in moisture, while caffeine reduces puffiness and brightens tired eyes. Applying eye cream is simple but precise. Use your ring finger to gently tap a pea-sized amount around the orbital bone, avoiding harsh rubbing or pulling. Bonus tip, for an added cooling effect, store your eye cream in the fridge. This helps soothe and depuff the under eye area, making your eyes look refreshed and awake. By giving special care to this area nightly, you'll wake up looking more youthful and vibrant. Step 6, moisturizer. The cornerstone of your nighttime skincare routine is a high-quality moisturizer. This essential step locks in hydration, nourishes the skin, and repairs your skin barrier while you sleep. Overnight, your skin loses water, so a well-chosen moisturizer ensures you wake up with soft, supple, and balanced skin. For dry or sensitive skin, opt for a rich, emollient moisturizer packed with ceramides, shea butter, or hyaluronic acid to restore hydration and strengthen your barrier. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, don't skip this step. Choose an oil-free, non-comedogenic formula with ingredients like niacinamide to replenish moisture without clogging pores. Combination skin benefits from a gel cream formula that provides hydration where needed without adding excess shine. Moisturizers not only keep your skin hydrated, but also enhance the efficacy of the treatments applied earlier. Think of it as the final step in building a protective layer for your skin's overnight repair process. Step 7, optional occlusives. For those with extremely dry or dehydrated skin, adding an occlusive layer at the end of your routine can be a game changer. Face oils or products like Vaseline act as a sealant, trapping in all the moisture and nutrients from your earlier steps. This process, often called slugging, creates a protective barrier that prevents water loss, ensuring your skin stays deeply hydrated all night long. Choose a lightweight face oil with ingredients like squalane or jojoba for a luxurious finish that won't feel heavy. However, this step isn't recommended for oily or acne-prone skin, as occlusives can trap excess oil and lead to breakouts. Use sparingly, just a drop or two is enough for transformative hydration. This optional but powerful step leaves your skin soft, dewy, and ready to glow in the morning. Part 3, extra tips for an effective routine. Transform your nighttime skincare routine into a moment of self-care and relaxation. Start by setting the mood. Dim the lights, light a soothing candle, or play soft music that helps you unwind. This not only calms your mind, but also encourages you to stick to your routine without feeling rushed. Choose products tailored to your skin type and concerns, whether it's a hydrating serum for dry skin, an oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin, or targeted treatments for dark spots or fine lines. Using the right products ensures your routine works harmoniously with your skin's needs, maximizing the benefits. Most importantly, be consistent. Skincare is a journey, not an overnight miracle. Your skin loves routine, and with time, you'll see noticeable improvements. A nightly ritual signals to your body that it's time to relax and prepare for restful sleep, while also giving your skin the care it deserves. Let's recap the 7 essential steps for glowing, radiant skin. Double cleanse to remove impurities, exfoliate gently, apply targeted treatments, hydrate with hyaluronic acid, protect the delicate under eye area, lock in moisture with a nourishing cream, and optionally seal it all with an occlusive for dry skin types. Each step works together to repair, rejuvenate, and enhance your skin's natural glow overnight. Now it's your turn. Ready to wake up to your best skin yet? Start your nighttime skincare routine tonight and let us know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Together, let's unlock the secret to radiant, healthy skin every morning.